awesome to be able to get recognized. I've never won anything, and I've never entered a recipe contest, so the fact that I won was just, I think when I got the phone call, I just kept stuttering because I couldn't imagine that I actually won. The pumpkin crisp is very fluffy and it's crisp. It's an alternative to pumpkin pie. A lot of people that may not like pumpkin likes this dish because it doesn't have that overwhelming pumpkin taste. The pecans and the yellow cake added just a unique texture to it, and it's very flavorful. I actually love the website. To me, it's a little more addicting than Facebook. I like it because you can get on and have discussion groups. There's always a group for everything, whether it's baking, cooking, freezing, storing, whatever. I love the feature recipes, how they do the blue ribbons every week, which is phenomenal that they take time to recognize us regular cooks, because I like chefs, but I like real people that cook real recipes.